Understanding Rootkit Installation, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a slightly technical but very important topic: rootkit installation. This term may sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together in simple English. Understanding this concept is crucial for everyone using computers, not just tech enthusiasts. So, let's get started and make sense of what a rootkit is and how its installation affects your computer. A rootkit is a type of malicious software that gives unauthorized users or software hidden access to your computer. Unlike regular viruses or malware, rootkits are designed to stay hidden from the computer's operating system and antivirus software. This makes them particularly dangerous because they can operate without being detected for a long time. Rootkit installation can happen in several ways, but it often requires the user's interaction or a vulnerability in the system. For example, you might unknowingly install a rootkit by clicking on a malicious link, downloading infected software, or through email attachments from unknown senders. Hackers also exploit security weaknesses in software or operating systems to install rootkits without your knowledge. The danger of rootkit installation lies in its stealth and control. Once installed, a rootkit can give attackers control over your computer. They can steal personal information, monitor your activities, disable security software, and even use your computer for illegal activities without your consent. The stealthiness of rootkits makes them difficult to detect and remove, posing a significant threat to your privacy and security. Protecting your computer from rootkits involves several key steps. Keep your software and operating system updated to fix security vulnerabilities. Use reputable antivirus and anti-malware software that can detect and remove rootkits. Be cautious about what you download or click on, especially if it's from an unknown source. Regularly back up your data to recover your system in case of an infection. Understanding rootkit installation is essential for keeping your computer and personal information safe. By being aware of how rootkits work and taking steps to protect yourself, you can significantly reduce the risk of infection. We hope this video has shed some light on the mysterious world of rootkits and made the concept more accessible to everyone. Stay safe online, and see you in our next video.